What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to answer a question from an Alejandro Gonzalez. Now, he basically said he drove from Vegas to California, and on his drive the transmission started to make a grinding noise, but while making a grinding noise it also started to leak oil. So what he did was fill some oil, grinding noise went away, but it continued leaking oil. So he told me that the transmission was new. It was replaced 4 years ago, brand new, not rebuilt, and it still leaks, and he wants to know if he should just take it in or drop the gasket. Now, if you want to save money right now, I would drain the oil, drop the pan, change the gasket, and check to see if there's any metal flakes, like big chunks of metal. If there is big chunks of metal, you are gonna have to take that in because something is damaged. If there is no big chunks of metal and you can put the gasket on, it's running fine, clean it up, put the gasket on, it's running fine, leave it alone. If it starts to give you a problem again, then take it into the shop. There's no need to spend unnecessary money if you can do it yourself. So definitely drop the pan, drain the oil, drop the pan, change the gasket, check to see any big clumps of metal. Now if there's like big shards of metal in the pan, it's done. If there isn't, the little regular little metal, it looks like moist metal or like wet metal around the magnet, that's normal. But other than that, there is nothing more. Yeah, so if you see any big chunks or anything, just take it in. If not, you're good to go. Try it out and see what you can do. Definitely let me know in the comment section below what happens when you did it. But other than that, I think you should be fine. If you haven't heard the noise again and it's been driving fine, you probably just got really lucky. But only one way to know: drop the pan and see if there's anything in there. Other than that, Alejandro, I hope you have a good one, and let me know in the comment section below. Peace.